In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the table border invisible in Google Docs. This is a handy technique if you want to create cleaner, more refined documents, and it will only take about 5 minutes of your time. So, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you use regularly. In the search bar, type in Google Docs and hit Enter. This should take you to the main Google Docs page, where you can see all your documents and some templates. If you have the link to your document handy, you can simply paste that into the search bar, which will take you directly to the document you want to work on. Next, you'll need to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so that you have access to all the documents you need. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step and proceed immediately to selecting your document. Once you've located your required document, click to open it. If it needs a moment to load, don't worry, that's completely normal. It'll be ready in no time. Once your document is open, locate the table whose border you want to make invisible. Click anywhere inside this table to make it active. This step is important because it enables the options we need to access. With the table active, right-click anywhere inside of the table, which will bring up a menu. From the menu, select Table Properties. This will open up a panel on the right side of your screen. Now, in the Table Properties panel, look for an option labeled Table Border. Next to it, you should see a small color box. Click on this box to bring up a color palette. If your table is on a white document background, choose the color white. This makes the table border blend in with the background, rendering it effectively invisible. If your document has a different background color, you can choose that specific color from the color palette to ensure the border remains hidden. And that's it. By selecting a matching color for your table border, you can make it disappear and give your document a sleek and polished look. This simple trick is a great way to improve the overall appearance of your documents without altering the formatting of the table itself. I hope you found this guide helpful in your quest to create more visually appealing documents in Google Docs. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials like this one. Have a great day.